Ha? Ang ano? Top 5. Para dun sa parang initial interview, parang gano'n. Tapos top 3 yung final interview. John Legend! 12 time. Ano kayang gawin niya? Wow! Ang lakas nito eh.
She says that anytime she's doubting herself, she can look at those pictures and just remember how far she's come and just how strong she really is. And I don't know about you guys, but she is an image of strength right now.
Thailand. Grabe. Sabi na nanalo na kasi ito eh. Supranational na yan. Dati. Tapos sumalut sa Miss Universe.
In 2019, everything from the dress to the jewelry was custom made for her to wear tonight on the Miss Universe stage.
Tapos pupunta ka pa sa iba-ibang bansa.
So they immigrated to the United States and turned $500 and a tiny garage into a successful Peruvian restaurant. Now she hopes to open a restaurant of her own someday and win a Michelin star.
Ito, ang nanay-nanay na yan eh.
Already made history tonight.
Oo.
The first
Mother.
mother to make the top 10 at Miss Universe. She worked with a designer to create this evening, which she says was inspired by her hometown.
Dalawa anak niya. Ito malakas talaga din itong Nicaragua. Oh.
She says are the colors, which are found at both the Nicaraguan and El Salvadorian flags. There are plenty of fans from both those countries cheering for her right now. Can you hear it?
Oh, hala, yan na. Oo nga. Hala, grabe. Ang ganda. Patay sila. Ang ganda ng gown. Grabe. Kaya pala dun sa tattoo. Oo. Lapit na lapit. Grabe na. Malakas. Naka-block tayo. Kaya pala cultural preservation yung inaano niya, yung tattoo.
Miss Universe crown, not too far from her very own reflector.
Grabe nung lakas ng damit. Ang lakas ng impact. Wala ito mga puti, hindi masyadong ano.
Delegates used to wear white gowns because there was a bit of superstition that the color was for winners. That might have something to do with why Deanna treated her Miss Universe in a white gown for us.
Ano tayo, top 5 na. Alam kung kumain kung may best in gown sila.
Australia!
Kamuntik pa.
This jewelry custom gift was created by a well-known Australian couture designer. And Australia told us her favorite part of the dress are the emerald green jewels because they bring out the color of her eyes. Beautiful.
Metro Channel. Kasi hindi wala kayo nasa tupa eh. Nauna dito. Oy, oy, matutumba.
and knows he is